Imagine this. You're 19. It's 2 a.m. The only lights are your monitor and the glow of a simulated cockpit on another screen. You're not just writing code. You're writing the future of flight. The line you just typed could be the difference between a hypersonic jet soaring through the stratosphere or a critical system failure. Welcome to the world of avionics software development. This isn't just another coding gig. It's a mission. Over the next 5 years, this industry is set for a massive transformation, and you can be at the heart of it. So, where do you start? First, let's talk about the bedrock: embedded systems. Your code won't run on a web server with infinite resources. It'll live inside a tiny, powerful computer deep within an aircraft. You need to master real-time operating systems, or RTOS. Think LynxOS or VxWorks. These ensure that critical tasks like adjusting flight control surfaces happen precisely when they need to, without fail, every single millisecond. Your code has to be reliable, efficient, and absolutely bulletproof. Next up, the rulebook. In avionics, our Bible is DO-178C. This isn't just a suggestion. It's a strict set of safety standards that governs every single line of code that goes into an aircraft. It's all about rigorous, painstaking verification and validation. You'll spend more time testing and documenting your code than writing it. Every function, every variable, every decision path will be scrutinized to prove it's safe. It sounds intense, and it is, but it's how we ensure that millions of people can fly safely every single day. This is where your attention to detail becomes a life-saving skill. Now, let's get to the cool, cutting-edge stuff. First, cybersecurity. Modern aircraft are flying data centers connected to networks and GPS. That makes them targets. You'll be on the front lines, defending against threats like GPS spoofing, where an attacker tries to trick a plane's navigation system. You'll learn to build secure-by-design systems, thinking like a hacker to build impenetrable defenses. Your job is to make sure the only one in control of the aircraft is the pilot. Then there's the revolution: AI and machine learning. This is where you can truly innovate. Imagine writing an algorithm that can predict when a jet engine part will fail, just by analyzing its sensor data in real time. That's predictive maintenance, and it's saving lives and millions of dollars. You'll be using tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch not for social media filters, but to develop autonomous systems for drones and, eventually, commercial aircraft. We're talking about building the brains for the next generation of intelligent, self-aware machines that fly. So how do you get your hands dirty? Start now, get your hands on a Raspberry Pi or an Arduino, and build something. A mini drone project is a perfect way to start. Learn to model and simulate flight systems using MATLAB and Simulink. Practice hardware-in-the-loop testing, where you trick your code into thinking it's flying a real aircraft. This is how the pros do it. And don't just stay behind your screen. Go out and connect. Join the local chapter of IEE's Aerospace and Electronic Systems Society. Attend conferences like AUVSI Exponential to see the latest drone tech. Chase internships at places like Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Collins Aerospace, or SpaceX. These experiences are invaluable. Look into certifications from bodies like the FAA in the US or EASA in Europe. Keep learning constantly with courses on platforms like Coursera and EDX. The path is challenging. There will be late nights debugging code that makes no sense. There will be moments of frustration. But the reward is seeing a machine you helped create take to the skies. You are the future architects of aviation. The code you write will fly higher, faster, and safer than ever before. So, what are you waiting for? Open your editor, start a new project, and begin building the future of flight. Right now. Thanks for watching. If you found this inspiring, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who dreams of the sky. Let's build this future together.